Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I am Sim Marie, and in today's video, we will speak on something that's not really spoke on a lot, and that's the power of evergreen content. I know. You're probably like, evergreen content? What is Sin talking about? So let's go ahead and dive in. So let's start by defining what evergreen content is. Unlike trending or time-sensitive content, evergreen content remains relevant and valuable to your audience long after it's published. So basically, it's a type of content that doesn't have an expiration date, which means it doesn't matter when a viewer comes to your content, it's valuable. So, one of the primary benefits of evergreen content is sustainable growth. Unlike trending content that might experience a spike in views and then fade away, evergreen videos have the potential to constantly attract views over time. Okay, let me give you an example of evergreen content. Take my channel for instance. My channel is about Facebook and YouTube. Every day, someone new is trying to get information on Facebook and YouTube. That is considered evergreen content. And the reason why it's considered evergreen content is because this information can be used 6 months from now, a year from now, especially if they're looking up how to start a new YouTube channel, how to grow on YouTube. Those things are set in stone for the most part. So a person can go on here 2-3 years from now and still use this information. So let me give an example of non-evergreen content. Well, I guess they could be evergreen, but not as much. Okay. The iPhone. As we know, the iPhone updates every single year. So right now, I think we're on iPhone 15. So if you post a video about iPhone 15, all its features, all the perks, everything like that, you're going to get a lot of views because that's trending and that is what's going on right now. Now, maybe next year or 2 years from now, you may get trickle in views, but not as many as you did when you first did the video because it was trending and it was hot at the time. Now, let's speak on how evergreen content will help your channel grow in the search engine. Evergreen content plays a significant role in improving your channel's SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. So let's speak on monetization really quick. That's a topic that we all like to discuss, okay? So monetization is a significant goal for many creators, as we all know. And evergreen content contributes to that in multiple ways because if your video continues to accumulate views, then you'll continue to generate a steady stream of income. Now, additionally, evergreen content often aligns with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and provide ongoing opportunities for income. So basically what I'm trying to say, guys, is have fun creating your content, but keep in mind evergreen content. Evergreen content is basically information or something that someone can come back 10 years from now and is still relevant. It doesn't have an expiration date. Now, cooking videos are perfect for that. Macaroni and cheese, that's going to be macaroni and cheese until the end of time. So that's an evergreen video. Braiding hairstyles, that's evergreen. There's a lot of evergreen content that you guys can use. But let me say this as well. If your content isn't based around evergreen content, that's okay. If you're still making videos on how to work a VCR, keep making those videos because there's people who still have VCRs and they would love to go type in how to work the VCR, how to fix the VCR. I'm not saying stop making the content that you're making. I'm just saying try to make content that someone can come back 10 years from now and it's still relevant to them. And let me say this as well. If your content surrounds around trending topics, keep doing trending topics. You never know. Someone may come back a few months from now and still watch that type of content. But that type of content isn't really considered evergreen. But if that's bringing in the revenue for you, keep doing you. Now, I know this video was short and straight to the point. I hope I got my point across about exactly what evergreen content is. I hope that you understand what I was trying to deliver to you about the evergreen content. So let me go ahead and put it in a nutshell. Basically, evergreen content is something that's relevant years from now. Something that someone can come back 10, 20 years from now and is still relevant today. It doesn't matter if it's cooking, doing hair, DIYs, information on YouTube and Facebook. Whatever it is, if you feel like it's relevant, or if you don't feel like it's relevant and it's working for you, keep doing you. I was just trying to give you an example of what evergreen content is, because evergreen content will keep you in the money. Like I said, for my content, I speak on YouTube and Facebook a lot. Facebook may not be considered evergreen content in 10 years, but for the most part, YouTube will be the same within 10 years as far as how to upload your pictures, upload videos, thumbnails, all that will remain the same. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.